Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account in Watcher of Realms. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to open up your Watcher of Realms game and then from here sign into your account. Now once we're signed in, we want to click onto our user profile on the top left hand corner of the page. Now look for the settings tab, click onto that, and now we're going to see our settings here. To the right of our settings, we want to see our player ID, etc. Now below to the far right, it's going to have cancel account. You want to go ahead and click on cancel account. Now a little pop-up is going to confirm this. So this account has been bound to a third-party platform and cannot be cancelled. Please unbind it before reapplying. So basically you want to go ahead and unbind your account and then you can cancel your account. So now to unbind an account, simply click onto your binding, click onto say Facebook. Now disconnecting will put your account under the risk of account theft or account loss. So you sure want to disconnect. So you just put in your user ID. So please enter your account, then click on OK. And then we need to do the same for Google Play as well. And even VK, if you got VK connected, and what's that other one? Your email address as well. So yeah, just go ahead and unbind all your accounts and then click on cancel account, and that's going to delete your account in Watcher of Realms.